What's up, folks? How you doing? Today is Tuesday. What's the friggin' day, man? I never friggin' April 21st. All right, so tomorrow's going to be earnings. This is going to be a thing I'm going to try out. 5 things you need to know probably this week, and especially coming on tomorrow for Tesla earnings. So I'm just going to do like the top 5 things going on this week. If you're new here, welcome to Trade Travel Truth. My name is Rich, and we're just talking about trading, traveling eventually. Got some plans in the works, and then truth means I'm not sugarcoating crap. Usually against the liberals. I don't care if you're liberal. Maybe one of these days you'll figure out logic. But I digress. All right. Please like and subscribe. Here are the top 5 things you need to know before, I don't know. I guess today would be good to know them. All right. So number 1, Apple CEO shakeup. The Apple CEO, Tim Cook, stepping down. So if you're an Apple, obviously the stock's probably going to go down a little bit. Probably shouldn't be too bad, though. Oh, we got the trash guys coming. It was Patriots Day here yesterday, so they couldn't come yesterday. It was a holiday here for the Boston Marathon. These guys are running too quick, too. 2:01. It's friggin', I used to run marathons. Anyway, Apple CEO stepping down. John Ternus taking over, internal successor. Stock slightly down, but reaction muted so far. What this means for you today, this is a headline mover today, especially for tech. Apple is in such a big index weight that even small moves can influence the entire NASDAQ. So yeah, Apple's one of the Mag 7, so that's going to shake it up. All right, we got Tesla earnings tomorrow. Nothing unchanged still about that. Tesla reports after close. I don't know. It's probably going to take a bump up a little bit. Even though all the numbers are not great, Elon has a tendency to announce crazy stuff at these things, so it'll probably go up a little bit and then probably come back down. I don't think it's going to change too much, but I'm not a fortune teller. Market already positioned ahead of it. One of the biggest catalysts of the week. What this means for you today is a setup day. Expect positioning, not the real move yet. Tomorrow is when things actually break. So you'll see it probably in aftermarkets after they announce it, and then pre-market, and then I don't know. It'll probably go one way at pre-market, and then once it opens up tomorrow, it'll probably go back the other way. I'm guessing up and then back down, but who knows? Number 3, oil pulled back slightly. It's a change, but still a risk. Oil dipped a bit after a spike driven by possible U.S.-Iran talks. What that means for you, short-term relief for oil, for markets, but this story is not over. Oil is still the biggest macro wild card right now, so this affects the entire market. So whatever happens in Middle East affects us today, obviously. Futures slightly, number 4, futures slightly green, market holding up. Futures pointed slightly higher this morning. Market showed resilience despite tensions. What this means for you, market is holding up better than expected, but it's still headline driven and can flip quickly. Number 5, earnings and macro data both in play today. Big companies reporting today, United Health, GE, airlines, etc. Fed-related headlines and retail data also in focus. What this means for you, it's not just Tesla. Today can still move the market based on earnings surprises from macro headlines. So that's... All right, so new Apple CEO news, Tesla earnings tomorrow, and oil still in the background. This is the market that looks calm but can move fast. So it's kind of got a weird feeling about it, like something's going to happen. It's unsteady, let's put it that way. I feel unsteady about where it's going to go. I thought Tesla was going to go a lot higher because the whole robotaxi going to Houston and Dallas, but apparently they only have one car each there. Who knows? It's hard to predict, obviously. If you could predict, everybody would be multimillionaires. Anyway, that is it. Hope everybody's doing great on Tuesday, and we might do another update tomorrow. If you want, please comment below, subscribe. Let me know if there's a topic you want me to cover. I mean, I'm not an expert in most of the stuff. I just deep dive, do my own thing, and learn as I go. Seems to be working out. Anyway, that is it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.